Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Dr. Bitla, English faculty. As we are discussing on soft skills, at the same time vocabulary, grammar and all. And today I am going to take the topic interview skills and introducing yourself. So generally ice breaking, the question itself is ice breaking question. So how you give answer for this? Actually what they are expecting from one interviewer. So interviewer is expecting some from interviewee. Interviewer means ఎవరైతే ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేస్తారో అతను ఇంటర్వ్యూవర్ అవుతారు. ఇంటర్వ్యూవీ అంటే ద పర్సన్ హూ ఇస్ టేకింగ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ. సో హియర్ వి అండర్స్టాండ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ అదర్ దాన్ an encounter. An encounter means here facing the people, sharing the information. When the person is sharing the information person to person, one to one, that's called right interview. As we had seen that here, encounter also is a kind of thing that here facing the people. Here we let us see that what actually interview skills are indeed. So what are they? Indeed, how to prepare for interview. Most of the people think that, and the freshers, even the experts and experienced people also, sometimes when they face the interviews, they face some problems of facing them. So here let us take some tips here and how to face that, and what is pre-interview techniques, what is right during right interview, and like all this, and at the same time body language at the time of interview. So discuss on this. First of all, let us see that interviews are classified into different kinds. As you know that grievance interviews are there, and job interviews also there. At the same time counseling also is one thing. And like this when you go on like promotional interview also there, and keep aside all these things. And being fresher or job aspirant, how you are going to right face the interview board. So here you are going to sell yourself there, your skills. It means your skills. When you are going to sell your skills, how you have to promote yourself. As we learned in the earlier video also, that resume writing was part of it, and now interview is one thing here where you are going to get the job after this. In this, how actually the prerequisite qualities of an interview. So what to do there? And first of all, getting prepared. The first step is here, getting prepared with the complete file, chronological order, file with chronological order, chronological. So as you know that, take a file, and before going to face the interview, definitely you have to put it everything in order. That is compulsory. Most of the people don't do this and just take the certificates casually, and then they'll be confused at the time of right interview. So that these are all not good. So that first, before going to interview, first check all the checklists, what certificates, what testimonials you want to take to the place, and how you have to arrange them in order. That is one thing. So ఇంటర్వ్యూకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు అన్ని సర్టిఫికేట్స్ కూడా కొంచెం ఆర్డర్లో పెట్టుకోవాలి. సో ఆర్డర్గా 10th క్లాస్ కానీ 10th క్లాస్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్, లైక్ ద కంప్లీట్ వన్ ఆఫ్టర్ ది అదర్ యూ కీప్ ఇన్ ఆర్డర్. దట్ ఈస్ వన్ థింగ్. అండ్ ది అదర్ వన్ ఈజ్ డ్రెస్సింగ్ సెన్స్. So dressing sense also matters here. As I mentioned here, non-verbal communication. So non-verbal communication, it is there. At the same time, the dressing itself also a non-verbal communication, because by seeing your dressing sense also you are understood by the interview board. So here your dress sense must be very complete formals, and you are trimming yourself or groom up yourself very good before going to present the interview board. So that how actually we are going to see all this, that is very important. And then one more thing is topography. Topography of it. What is topography of it? So before going to reach the place, you must know all the ways to reach the interview venue. That's very important, because on the spot, if anything happens, traffic jams or anything, you must know the other way also. So you can go some other way of subway or the other ways, like that is also very important. So that first you must know before that where is venue, and if possible go to the place and find out how many minutes it takes from your place to the place, and then managing time. So one more thing is here, time sense. This is called time sense. So this is all the tips about only prerequisite interview. Before going to face the interview board, what you have to get ready with this. So that time sense, how many hours it takes to reach the place, how many minutes it takes. If you go by bus, how many minutes it takes. If you go by your own bike, how many minutes it take. If you go by cab, how many minutes it take. Like this here, when you have some complete calculation, there is no chance of missing your interview. You will be on time. So on time means exact time. So that you must be in time there, at least half an hour before you must be there. Don't be hurried to be there before 2 hours like. So just to be there half an hour before. So that is enough to you. So that we understand about how actually we are going to prepare for interview. That is very important. At the same time, some more points we can see. So that what is non-verbal communication in it? What is non-verbal communication in it? So when at the time of interview, non-verbal communication. So most of the people don't care about it. I'm expert in subject, I'm expert in qualifications and all. But thing is, only the non-verbal communication, it matters. From tip to toe, whatever it is, that is called non-verbal communication. So tip to toe means from your ear to your toe, right? How you groom up yourself, that matters here. You must be very careful about here. How you comb yourself, how you trim your beard, if you have beard, if male, okay. If female are there, your makeup must not be more like it is light makeup must be there, not too much dark lipsticks. So that don't have that ponytail or something like wavy hair for the ladies. So you must have completely professional look like. So here we see that how non-verbal communication is going to play. So when you enter the office, that interview starts. Think once, when you enter the office, interview starts. So because people observe you, and nowadays surveillance are there. So through the surveillance also means cameras are there. So through the cameras also people find out actually what kind of person you are there. So because technologically advanced, so that you must be very careful while facing the people before entering the room also. That's very important. And non-verbal communication, let us see, shaking hand, firm shake hand. It's firm shake hand, not fishy shake hand, like, okay, give firm shake hand. That indicates your confidence level. And don't give shake hand first. Let the people give. If the board members give you the shake hand, then only you have to give the shake hand. Shake hand must be very firm. That indicates your confidence level. That first thing. And don't sit yourself in the chair. So let the people offer you the chair. So that unless the board members offer you the chair, don't sit in the chair. So when they offer, then you say that, okay, and thank you. Then take the chair and sit in. And then you can wish everyone good morning. That is, wishing is very important. Good morning everyone. If lady is there, first of all you have to wish a lady. For example, 5 members are there. In 5 members, 1 lady, 4 members male are there. In that, how you wish them? So confusion. So that first you wish the female candidate, ma'am, good afternoon, good morning, whatever it is, depends on the time. And then other sirs. So this is compulsory thing we have to follow when you are going to wish the people. And the second one, what you do? Second one. So just you say that thanks for giving opportunity to face you people. Thanks for shortlisting my profile. And like this, then you start it. And the most important thing, so you cover your body language, leaning towards, okay, you're leaning towards the people. Leaning towards the people, that indicates showing interest. Relaxing back, complete relaxing back indicates that you don't have interest, you are reckless or aggressive. So that always remember that here, don't bend but lean towards the people. That shows your interest. So that interview, this is very important. Don't put your hands on the table and don't carry any baggage with you. Just take the file. If any polythene covers which make sound, keep outside there itself and don't bring them to the room. So that is very important. So that take only your file and sit there, right? So that this is one important thing. And let us wind up with only a small suggestion, because the first and foremost question, many people actually get confused. So you must be ready with that. Say about yourself. Say about yourself is one question. That is to make you comfortable. The question is asked. So that how you are going to present yourself within 1 or 2 minutes. Saying about yourself is not like 5 minutes lecture or 10 minutes lecture. Just 60 seconds to 2 minutes. So 1 minute to 2 minutes only you have to finish stuff. How do you start it? How do you start it? First of all, you say that. Okay. What do you say? I am. My name is. So whatever you use the phrase, you use your name. I am Dr. Bitla, so and so. I am Dr. Bitla. And where are you from? First you say that. Where are you from? I finished my so and so graduation or post graduation from so and so place. Then you say that what you offer and what is your qualification, how you are experienced, where you are experienced, how many years of experience you have. Then your hobbies actually must give complete fetching to the company. Hobbies not like simply my hobby is singing, my hobby is something like that. So your hobby must have complete professional, and whatever the things you speak in it must be connected to your resume also. Whatever you have written in the resume, that must be there in this also. So that how you are effectively presenting to the people within 2 minutes, that matters, because well begin is off end. When well begin is off end. So that when you have begun the right answer properly, that is off end, means mostly half of the interview is finished, because within 2 minutes only you are judged properly. After that, the subject whatever is there, that is to be done later anyhow. So that in that, how you are going to present yourself, your name, first of all your name, and then if you are experienced, first experience. If you are not experienced, education qualifications, where did you finish, and elevate your all the qualities. First of all, your all the qualities, how you are good in or good at, what for you are, and what is your professional skills. So like this here, everything whichever is very important to the people or the company or firm, that you have to remember that. That's what say about yourself. Simply you can say, for example, I say one example for you. My name is Dr. Bitla, English faculty. I've been working in a reputed private engineering college, and I have 20 years of teaching experience, and at the same time I write some articles. At the same time I go for a walk every day. My hobby is like that. And then leisurely, when I have some time, I prepare some notes for the people, and I sing. At the same time I become and do meditation. And for the professional life, I improve myself. I concentrate on my vocabulary. I like this. Okay, when the skills are there, so that you go on working like this here. Only yourself you are going to sell. So your quality of things are very important to the people. But what you offer, so that you project properly, that is done for you. So that I hope this video may be very useful for you. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and comment in the comment box. At the same time, subscribe our channel. Thank you.